7 Joy Hotel, wind 2505, runway 8, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 8, 7 Joy Hotel. Ready, we'll level it off. Wings, and we'll now go ahead and turn for final.
Skyhawk 7 Joy Hotel, you can make a 180 and back taxis to you have sufficient room, advise when ready for an intersection departure.
Okay, 180 for the back taxi, runway 8, and we'll advise when ready, 7 Joy Hotel. We can go ahead and take off from here for 7 Joy Hotel, and if possible, would like to request one more.
Skyhawk 7 Joy Hotel, Raptor, runway 8, intersection, wind calm, clear for takeoff, make right traffic.
Clear for takeoff, runway 8, and make right traffic, 7 Joy Hotel.
Yuma Tower.
And rotate. And we'll begin our right crosswind for runway 8. We're still climbing at the same rate, 70 knots. And we're climbing for 1,200. So we'll go ahead and begin our right downwind for runway 8. It's a beautiful night. And we're reaching 1,200, so we'll push the nose forward just a little bit. Let the airspeed build up, and then we'll put the RPMs back.
Skyhawk 7 Joy Hotel, make sure to approach runway 8, wind calm, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 8, 7 Joy Hotel.
Senior 7 Bravo, continue for runway 17, traffic turn about a half mile right base runway 8 to Skyhawk. 67 Bravo, continue 17, thanks.
So we basically turned it a little sooner just for the traffic that's coming in for the cross runway.